Hey guys, welcome back. So today I have my new FabFitFun box. I love FabFitFun. I tell you guys every single time that I have my FabFitFun. So if you would like to see this video, then just keep watching. So this is the box. I absolutely love it. It is so pretty. This is the summer box, so I'm super excited. I actually haven't seen any videos of anybody else doing their box, so I can't wait to see what's in here. I hope it has amazing things. They usually do, but you know, sometimes... Actually, no, let's be honest. I always love their box. All right, so here is the first thing in there. It tells you what everything's going to be in here. I think I want to like not even look what's in it, but I'm gonna do it anyways. So I'm gonna put these bad boys right here. So the first thing that they gave was an $80 gift card for HelloFresh. This is the first thing in the box. So this is the Refining Micro Polish. So I'm not gonna open this obviously right now, so I don't know how it smells, but I'm very excited to try this. I do need to exfoliate my face so bad, like so bad. Oh, I'll probably be using it today, actually, like before I go to bed. So this one is $57. All right, the next thing in the box is a clay mask. This is for brightening. It's purple, which is awesome because everybody loves purple. Oh, my nails are purple. Ooh, it matches. So it just says to apply a even layer on clean or dry skin. Make approximately for 10 minutes, then take it off. And it just makes everything nice and like tight and stuff like that. So that's exciting. All right, next in the box we have a Burn 3 Resistant box. So this is definitely something for working out. Oh, these are the ones I actually do have these. Mine are different, just different like sizes. So we have the Burn one, which is the black one. This is medium. And then we have the white one, which is the light one. And then this one is the heavy one is right here. So I actually really do like these. I like to do it on my legs and stuff like that. I think they work really, really well. And then this is $34. All right, next in the box we have Grace and Stella Spray All Day Rose Spray Hydrating Spray. So this one actually has kind of paper in it. Let's see if I can get this out of here. So sorry if you can hear that stuff. It's raining right now, so nothing I can really do about it. But let's see how this smells, and if it's gonna be like a heavy like fragrance. Let's just spray it. Let's just see. Definitely smells like rose, but it like smells very fresh. So this says that this is $25. So next we have a eyeliner, and this is from Ico, London, and this is a I Do liquid line. So let's see how this works. I don't really usually like ones from other places other than like Sephora. Ooh, that one looks okay. Okay, I changed my mind. This actually is so smooth. It is so black. Oh my god. I think it's like double-sided, is it? No, it's not. But oh my god, that is like so black. And this is $22, so I'm really excited to put this on my eyes. We have some Invincible Bobble. So this is like one of the hair ties that have the, I know you guys can see it. But I actually really like these. They like get all of your hair in there, and it's not like in a slip because it's got like those like coiled like in it, you know. But like I use these, not these ones, but they're all basically the same thing. But I actually really like these, that these are clear and kind of like a nudie kind of color. It's really nice. I'm definitely going to be using these because I definitely love those. So these are $16. All right, next we have a face mask. I'm definitely going to give this to my mom. She like loves face masks, and I do too, but I'm going to give this to her. This is a 11 Skin face mask, and it is for treatment. It's a treatment mask for your entire face, and it's for brightening. So I'm not gonna like, I'll open it. Oh no, you can't see it. It gives you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them, and it just looks like this. I'll have my mom tell me if she liked it, and then I'll let you guys know. So this right here is actually $160 for this, and I'm giving this to my mom. I didn't know it was that expensive. I am still gonna give it to her after I found out how expensive it was, but this is $160. Maybe we can do one together. But yeah, this, I can't wait to try this. I can't wait for my mom to try this. I think she's gonna love this. All right, moving on, we have Wish. This is an exfoliate foot mask. This is great. My feet are like, when I put something on and like my feet in like a sock or something like that, my foot's always like, ugh, it's like the worst thing ever. It just says it smooths and softens, and it's an intense hydration. So this is literally exactly what my feet need. I'm not even joking. This is like definitely, I need this now. This is $32. Next, I have this. I actually have had one of these before. I got one of the really, really tiny ones for, I want to say it might be from here, I think, from FabFitFun. But these smell so good. Mine is gone because, I mean, it's amazing. I remember even the last time that I had one of these, I smelled it and I was like, oh my God, this is so good. So I'm really excited that I have more, which I mean, I could easily go buy some, but they smell so amazingly. Like, let me just, it just smells so good. This just says Soul, and then I can't see what that says, but it's just a body cream that it goes like really fast for your body. But this is really, really good. I actually forgot about this. So once I already used my actual one of them, I totally forgot how much I loved it. Hey, I'm so happy this is here, because I'm like, if they have like an even bigger size, I am like 100% gonna be going getting this right now. So this is the last thing in the box. I just also realized that this is the same as this, where they go together. So this one was the cream, and then this is the moisturizing shower cream gel. So I'm assuming it's going to be the same smell, but I guess I don't really know. I'm going to open it because I really want to know. Yes, it's the same smell. I cannot wait to take a shower. So these three things together are $45. So as you guys know, FabFitFun are like the best box ever. It has makeup, it has beauty, it has like fitness stuff. It's amazing. You guys will absolutely love it. Everything from this box is either, depends on what everybody else got, is from $269 to $467. So as you guys know, we are not paying that much for that box, but it is 100% worth it. I will leave my coupon code down below. Definitely don't forget to use it. It's definitely helpful. Man, I'm struggling with my speech. I think it's because I'm like literally sitting here and sweating with these lights, and it's like 80 right now. Or no, it's not. That's a lie. It's like 70. But it's pretty hot right now, and I have my wig on, which is making my head even more hot. But yeah, I absolutely love all these products. I cannot wait to like take a shower and use these products because I just love it. But yeah, let me know it down below if you guys have ever gotten FabFitFun, and let me know what your thoughts are. I absolutely love FabFitFun. But yeah, please just let me know down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and thumb up, is that right? Thumbs up, yeah, for this video, and comment down below what you guys thought. But yeah, I love you guys so much, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.